opposite of Pampe. Okay. Jesus is a good shepherd.
Let's use and make eba.
Gary.
An insect that brings out web.
Spider.
If you yawn.
That thing warriors to carry and fight. Sword. No. Shield. Yes. When they used to look for words that I do not understand.
Dictionary.
MTN, Airtel, Globe. Yes. When they used to put on king head. Crown. Somebody that used to cook food is what? Chef. Correct.
Unfortunately, this is the end of the road for you.
All right, so after the first round, these are the qualifiers. We have Ojone, we have David, Praise, and Israel that got a direct slot from the raffle draw into the second round. All right, open the booklet with you. For the next round, it's going to be the say it without saying it game. Team A, raise up your hand. Team B, raise up your hand. At this point, you depend on your teammate to proceed to the final round. Only one team gets to go to the final round. And we'll be starting with Team A. Your time starts now.
What is the call Saturday and Sunday?
Weekend.
If you're weak, what do you do?
Snore. Yawn.
That thing that used to blow inside your house. That used to give fresh air. Why you used to go and eat?
Restaurant.
That thing that Moses said, that he said predator waiting, man. That drink after like fearless. Another one, predator. Okay, if you have one, what do you used to call it?
You have Mozu.
You have
Gym. Strength.
another word for strength. That starts the fifth that. What's this?
Power.
Another one.
Strong.
Strong. I beg, leave my bed. That thing that used to come from Domino's Pizza. Hey, Jesus, sorry. Sorry. Where used to put your clothes? Where used to put your clothes that is wooden?
Cupboard.
Another one.
Locker.
In your room now. That place used to put your clothes, your shoe, all those things.
Rack.
Hi. You know?
Cupboard. Wardrobe.
God bless you. That's the way to use on catch fish.
Fishing line.
Another one. Do you, if you're in a class, they will ask, the teacher asks you, do you
Understand.
After let's ask you 1 plus 1. What subject is that?
Maths.
Complete it now.
Mathematics.
Glow. Another one.
Shine.
Jesus. Network they use and call Glow.
MTN.
Sapa.
Reach.
Another one. Sapa. Another one that
Bro.
is yellow.
MTN.
What
is yellow?
What let's use to use? What let's use and make eba?
Gary.
So like Gary, they'll say it's All right. Your time starts now.
What country is close to Nigeria that is mostly
Ghana.
what is like a beautiful thing like rose?
Flower.
Which thing like a sickness, something like that?
Illness.
Another name for sickness?
Illness.
No.
Is it disease?
Yes. What like coming together? No. Like being truthful.
Honest.
Like the next one is if you answer, what's the other? They used to say something and answer.
Question.
Which there's one social media app like
Facebook.
red yeah logo
Instagram.
red like
YouTube. Yeah.
this thing like what is meaning of guiding somebody
Guiding.
like guiding somebody
Teaching.
no guide like guide
Protect.
somebody what
Be fast.
what is the owner of a apartment
Landlord.
what
Come on. Be fast.
what is the name of a sickness that how do I say it?
Skip it if you don't know it.
Okay, like when you're tall
You are long.
tall
You are
something that is that is tall.
High. Be fast.
This thing, natural disaster that
Flood.
happens on the ground.
Flood. Earthquake.
This thing that brings out web, an insect that brings out web.
Spider.
A shape that is three-sided.
Triangle.
What is a red ingredient, like a
Pepper.
red? No.
Tomato.
Time up.
No, I'm not recording. I'm recording directly. Your time starts now.
What did they use and do transportation? Top rail, railway.
Train.
What is the slowest animal to have shell?
Sloth.
Snail. No, they have big shell.
Snail.
No, the other one that is to walk.
Shell. Tortoise.
Yes. What is to catch iron? Like this. You join it together.
Welder.
No. The other one is color black. It's to catch iron. It's to come with iron.
Magnet.
Correct. The person, Jesus is a good
Shepherd.
Correct. Yes. What in where the days to check days of the week, month of the year, the week?
Calendar.
Yes. What is the name of that thing that is iron that they use and use torchlight in olden days? What?
Lantern.
Correct. When did they look for words that you do not understand?
Dictionary.
Inside where somebody has to do teeth, doctor of teeth.
Dentist.
When your stomach is empty, that means
you're hungry.
Correct. What is the name of somebody that study law is called what?
Lawyer.
Correct. In which place will you find that there is plenty sand is dry, no food, no
Desert.
water? What is the name of that thing that we were doing? That man was doing like this that time for me, and now one
Guitar.
the name of the other one that they used to do is stick.
Violin.
What is the name of like now? If you want to enter a place, what do they do for you when they are testing whether you can do the job?
Interview.
Correct. Which place will you check your reflection? Your reflection.
Mirror.
Like if you snap a picture of yourself, that's your what? Your what?
Reflection.
No. The way what they used to do near IBK, your what? Picture of yourself. Let's jump it. A tall, high something. Like it's rock. A tall, high one.
Mountain.
Then where did they used to go carry sick people to?
Hospital.
What did they used to put on big head?
Crown.
Somebody that used to cook food is what?
Chef.
Correct.
Time up. Team A is now on a cumulative point of 27, which means you have to score 15 points or higher to your initial 13 to beat them, or you score 14 to tie, and we do one last round. Best of luck to you, Team B. Team B, your time starts now.
That's like wake up. Tinny.
Time listen. Talk.
That's tinny.
Lamp.
Yes. MTN, Airtel. Oh, yes. That person has to carry gun. And
Charger.
That thing has to blow fire. That is a prehistoric animal. That is to opposite of that.
Dragon.
Yes. That thing that warriors to carry and fight.
Sword.
No.
Shield.
Yes. That thing that they use to flog somebody.
Cane.
Yes. Another one for isolation.
Indoors.
Mm-hmm.
Closed.
Mm-hmm.
Job. Skip it.
Yes. Okay. Yellow.
Blue, green, red.
Yellow, blue,
Green.
yes. The fastest animal in the world.
Cheetah.
No. On air.
Eagle.
No.
Mountain. Pumpkin.
Yes. When they do bread.
Bakery.
Yes. If you shoot ball, what will you say?
Go.
No. Inside, if you are playing, what we used to throw on this court?
Basketball.
Yes. Basket.
Basket.
What you used to flip? Toss.
Bottle flip.
No. Toss. Head and tail. Yes. And what you used to eat?
Food.
No. Snack is a snack.
Biscuit.
Yes. Somebody likes to suck blood. Likes to say, I want
Vampire.
to suck. Yes. If you multiply 1 times 2, it will give you
1 times 2.
like 3 pool and
4. 2. 1 times 2 is
what did you call 2 now?
Double.
Okay. And opposite of your friend.
enemy.
A daughter of a king.
Princess.
Opposite of Pampe.
Okay.
If you say, like, if you come to my house and I say you are,
A cheater.
no, if you come to my house,
You are a visitor.
you are,
Welcome.
yes.
Time up.
Come and
They face
Many
two on
ones.
the road. They
Many
face two on the road.
on the road.
But they
All right. So after the say it without saying it round, Team A got a total point of 27, and Team B narrowly escaped into the final round with a total point of 29. A round of applause for Team B, please.
Problem.
Team A, that was a very, very beautiful second round of comeback. That was a very, very impressive one. But unfortunately, this is the end of the road for you. Of course, you'll not be going empty-handed. MPG and the community are very, very generous. So, the participants of Team B, this is 4,000 naira for you, praise. And Ojone, this is 4,000 naira for you. What do you have to say to your sponsors?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right. In your hands are puzzles of animals. First, to identify 10 animals wins this final round. You can open.
No, cycle is first. No, Alicia. For crossing.
Goat. Crocodile.
That's 2-0.
Monkey. Like this.
Monkey, that's 3-0.
Pig. Pig like this.
Pig, that's 4-0. 4-0.
Rabbit.
Rabbit, that's correct. That's 5-0. Israel, there is time for remontada.
Monkey.
Yeah, I said monkey already. Monkey is already found. Should I take
Donkey.
donkey? That's right. 5-1.
Horse.
Horse. 5-2.
Mouse.
6.
Show me. Mouse.
Ants.
Shark, ant.
Lion.
Lion. That's correct.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
I said giraffe. Giraffe. Look at it.
All right.
I don't see giraffe.
All right. With that, I guess David wins the final round. Israel, well done. The second place for Mr. Achiever's competition is 6,000 naira. Israel, what do you have to say to him?
Thank you, sir. And like, subscribe.
All right, and David, the winner of the final round, was told to go with 10,000 naira courtesy of Mr. Achiever. What do you have to say to him?
Thank you very much. God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
They are tired already. It's been nice having you guys. See you next week. All right.